This is the VersaDrive step drill from Hallmaker Technologies. I've been sent this to test out, and I do have to say that it is absolutely impressive. This will fit in an impact wrench using the VersaDrive adapter, or you can actually use it in a normal drill should you wish to do so. The beauty of using this in an impact wrench is that it takes very little effort to use it, and you can drill holes very quickly indeed. This actually has 5mm steps on it, so it would be ideal for drilling material that is 5mm thick or less. When I actually saw the videos of this in use, I didn't actually think that it would be as good as what it actually is, but I have used it on a few different pieces of material and it is very impressive. So on the end there we have the VersaDrive hexagonal shank, and that will fit in a standard chuck. And then we have the step drill, and it is actually marked to tell you the size of the hole which you are drilling. So it starts off at the end there on 4mm, goes all the way up to 22mm. So I'm now going to drill a 22mm hole in this 3mm thick mild steel. And as you can see, that has drilled a perfect 22mm hole in the 3mm mild steel. I'll now have a go on this 6mm thick steel plate. This is a bit on the thick side. 5mm plate would have been better. As you can see, that has given us a perfect hole through that steel plate in a matter of seconds. We'll now just have a go on something a bit thinner. We'll have a go on this piece of uni-strut. And as you can see, that drilled that hole in a matter of seconds. As well as using them in an impact, you can also use them in a mag-based drill, a pillar drill or a hand drill. So that is one very handy piece of kit.